Hey guys, Alex here. Are you guys tired of complicated setups and endless installations? What if you could harness powerful development tools right from your browser completely locally? Introducing Bolt.DIY, the open source AI revolution that's transforming how we code. This groundbreaking release wouldn't be possible without the incredible contributions from the ottodev community and Cole Medin. If you haven't checked out his YouTube page, check it out now. Their work on the any-llm branch has not only expanded Bolt's capabilities, but also strengthened our open source community. A huge shout out to them, and thankfully, bolt.new saw their work and credited the bolt.diy branch. This is the official open source branch of bolt.new that you can install locally on your machine and utilize any LLM that you have an API key to build an app within a browser. It's amazing because it has not only the LLMs that can be leveraged to build your tools, but also an inbuilt IDE in browser. Also, you can run your installations right there in the browser and see your work come to life in front of you before even having to download a file or push the code to GitHub. So what makes Bolt.DIY a game changer for developers? Well, you can leverage powerful large language models to assist in compiling and developing applications, or running natively in your browser. No more dependency nightmares or heavyweight IDEs. Fully integrated and functional development environment right there at your fingertips. Imagine coding on the fly, getting smart suggestions, and seeing your applications come to life instantly, all without leaving the browser. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Bolt.DIY streamlines your workflow, boosts productivity, and helps enhance your coding, like a coding assistant that you've never had before. Alright, so let's go ahead and install this. So first of all, there's two ways you can run this. You can run this in a local environment by installing PnP, or you can build it using a Docker image. We're going to do the Docker image example this time, and all you need to do is download Docker Desktop first. Then we're going to take this clone repository, and we're going to be using GitHub Desktop, so we can do this very seamlessly. And once you have your Docker Desktop installed with the latest version, you're going to take the npm run docker build, go into your files directory and run. This should build the initial version of the image. And once that's complete, you can take the next line of code, and that will then create the development target for your Docker Desktop. And once that is finished, you can then run the actual installation using this final line of code here. So once the container spins up, it will start loading everything. But first you got to make sure you have a .env file. There is an example file in the GitHub repository. And once you have all your API keys in that .env file and you have run the container, you can open it up using the local. Now you can see that we have Bolt.DIY ready to go, and we can start building any app. Let's make a Space Invaders game real quickly. First, it's going to install all the requirements, write the code for us, and then run in browser. And look here, we have a working Space Invaders game. Just like that, in less than a minute. This is an insane tool. So if you haven't got Bolt.DIY in your toolset already, with its simplicity and easiness to install, I definitely recommend getting on board and giving it a go.